In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app on Windows 10 or 11. Now to start, for example, I'm going to install this one. When I double click the app, this will show up. It says here the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. Now to fix this one, all we have to do is go to your Windows and then open up your settings. And once you're here, just click on app and then go to apps and features. So as you can see here, we need to change the choose where to get apps because right now the Microsoft Store only recommended. It means that you can only install what is in your Microsoft Store. You cannot install any apps from the browser that you downloaded or any other app store that you have. So to enable that one, just go ahead and click on anywhere, and then you can now start installing any application from different areas like from browser. Now let's try to double click this one again and let's see if it works. So in here, I just double click the app. So as you can see here, it says here, thank you for installing WinZip. It means that I already installed the WinZip application. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.